A very good evening to each and every one of you. We are reporting to you this time from Prerna Motors in Rajaji Nagar. That's a dealership for the Tata brand of vehicles. And as you can see, we are going to be talking about the latest car that's been doing the rounds of media of late. And that is the all-new Tata Tiago. And in this newscast of Deadlines Tonight, we are going to take you on a test drive and hands-on review of this very beautiful car which has taken the automobile world by storm. So let's just head on to the test drive straight away and talk about the features of this vehicle that has been endorsed by none other than Lionel Messi. And as you can see, made of great is what Tata is calling this. So let's head over straight to that Tiago there. And with us is going to be Mr. Karthik. Hi Karthik. So Karthik, why don't you just tell us a little bit about the car while we take the test drive, and you can take control of the camera. Right. So he's handed over the keys to me and it's rolling right now. So let's just... So right now I'm in the driver's seat inside this test vehicle of the Tata Tiago, and just adjust the seat a bit.
Height adjustable.
Height adjustable, as Karthik is calling it. We're going to wear the seat belts. Safety first. Turn up the power windows. Okay, before that,
Ignition.
And here we go. Alright, so here we go.
We are going for petrol.
This is a petrol variant?
Petrol.
Alright, so guys, this is going to be a test drive of the petrol variant of the car. Why don't you wear your seatbelt, Karthik? Right. While Karthik wears the seatbelt, let's just understand where we are going to go. And obviously this is the Rajaji Nagar area, and as you can see, the first second that I turned the steering wheel, it turned like butter. So obviously a big plus there. Slightly noisy engine, but I think that's the first few revs that it's giving. So just turn on the AC. Yep. So just guide me on the way, Karthik, and tell me where to go. Left, straight?
You can take right. Right.
Alright, so we're gonna go right.
It comes with Harman music system,
Okay.
which will be used for in premium luxury cars like BMW, Audi, Ferrari. That
Fun
kind
fact.
of system. With 8 speakers. We have 8 speakers. And it has capacity of 1.2 liters
Okay.
with PS of 75,
Alright.
torque with 140 torque.
Great. 140 horsepower. Alright. So, Karthik, why don't you also tell us about how the response has been for this car? So, we saw the marketing campaign and it was fabulous. So, Tata launched this car with a lot of fanfare. It was not called the Tiago, mind you, before, right?
Yeah.
It was going to be called the Zika.
Yeah.
And then the whole virus thing happened, and then they decided to go with a contest to actually change the name, and then it got transformed to what it is called now, the Tiago. And we also saw the VR kits that came in the newspaper for the virtual reality test drive.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell us about what the customer response has been like towards the whole market?
Lots of customer response. We have almost bookings around 40 for a week.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, 40 bookings per week.
Per week.
And how many weeks has it been since launch?
We've been delivering from a past week.
Okay. And bookings
Petrol
open-
will be available for waiting period of 6 weeks, and diesel will be for 8 weeks.
8 weeks waiting period. My
Yeah.
God. So that's quite a demand, right?
It-
So are all dealerships expecting the same lag time, or
Yeah, same lag time.
across India?
No, we are the only at least having for 6 and 8 weeks. Some of
Okay.
them having more than 10 weeks.
Oh God. So you're saying that that's the demand.
Yeah.
40 bookings per week is what you're saying.
Yep.
So one more thing. Why don't you also tell us about the price range of this entire line of vehicles?
Okay. Basic comes with an 4,12,000.
Oh, nice.
Which
On road.
Yeah, petrol.
Okay.
And diesel will be starting from 5 lakhs.
Starting 5 lakhs.
Yeah.
Alright.
And top end will be petrol will be 6 lakhs.
Okay.
And diesel will be 7 lakh 10,000.
7 lakh 10,000. So starting 4.8
Well.
lakhs. 4.12 lakhs.
Yeah.
Going right up till 7.8 lakhs. And the top end version in diesel would be coming with what sort of features?
ABS with EBD and CSC.
Could
Corner
you explain? So
stability.
ABS, anti-braking system,
EBD, electrical braking distribution,
Alright.
and corner stability control,
Alright.
which doesn't make you slide when you're turning at the
Okay.
more than speed.
Alright.
Then that's with dual airbags, safety wise. In system will be Arman system, which will be used for luxury cars,
Great.
premium.
Great, Karthik. So, Karthik, if you were to buy this car, tell me about it. Which vehicle would you choose from the Tata family? So, since you're a Tata employee,
Yeah.
which car would you choose and why?
If I go for an hatchback, it's an perfect, and for the least of the cost, we get much more features,
Alright.
even through safety or anything else. You can.
Great. So, tell me something, Karthik. How does it compare to the Zest and the Bolt?
Zest and Bolt. No, it's been comparing for competition with Celerio and Grand i10.
Obviously.
Yeah,
Right. So, like you said, if you were to buy a hatchback, you would buy this car.
yeah.
Which car would you buy if you had to buy a sedan?
Sedan. I
Yeah.
go for Zest.
Zest. Alright.
And in this vehicle, we get multi-mode of 2.
Okay.
Defaultly, we'll be having city mode and eco mode, which
Okay.
for used for mileage purpose. For
Okay,
a
can
long
you just
drive.
show us where that panel is?
Here is an
Right.
eco mode, which
Alright,
can be
viewers,
used.
so that's the eco mode, and currently we are operating in the eco mode.
We have a beep
Indicator,
sound,
right,
beep
just-
sound,
yeah.
and it will be indicating you.
So that's the eco mode there.
Yeah.
And why don't we test out the sport mode?
Sport mode we don't have, only city and eco mode.
City and eco. So right now
Defaultly, we having a city
City,
mode. For
alright.
mileage purpose, we can use eco mode.
Great.
No skiddiness with corner stability control.
Awesome. So tell me something, Karthik. So now that you've told us all about the features, what do you think is going to be the response in the coming weeks? Like you said, 40 bookings per week. Is it going to increase? Is it going to stay
Yeah,
filled?
it can go increase. The waiting period which get much slower, it will be
increase.
delivered
Right.
so soon. We can see on road.
So a lot of other cars have been doing the noise in the public space, right? Lots
Yeah.
of launches coming up, lots of new cars
Yeah.
in the luxury variants as well. So what do you think about that as compared to the competition like Celerio and
For the price of this cost, no one can compete it. No company can compete it for this price.
right? Obviously coming from the stables of Tata, ladies and gentlemen, this is the car to watch out for. The Tata Tiago, made of great. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, it's almost going to be a wrap on this newscast of Deadlines Tonight, but not before we leave you with a fun fact. And the fun fact is something that you are going to be really proud of. India is sending its largest ever contingent to the Olympic Games this year, ladies and gentlemen, and that is something to be really proud about. Kudos to the entire sports fraternity in India, from the Ministry of Sports to the last peon who I get reminded of whenever I think of Chak De India, and the couple of the helping staff and support staff that make up the entire sports system of our country. So we'll be watching out for all the action from the Olympic Games in Rio this year, and to all the sportsmen and athletes who are representing and making us proud there, we will be praying hard for them. So go win it for us, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. And on that note, you done?
Yeah.
So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take a short U-turn and head back to Prerna Motors. While I do that, why don't you
We
just
have
allow-
E-Pass. We don't want to struggle in steering. We can just leave out on.
Oh, right. Awesome.
It's
Didn't
been
know that.
having for 85%.
Oh, great. All right. So, Karthik,
Yeah.
closing notes for our viewers. What is your dream number that you're looking at, right? So 40 bookings per week.
Yeah.
What would be a great number? 100 bookings a week? 200 bookings a week? huh?
Sure. If we deliver a car within a week or a 2 week,
Right.
we can get more than 100. Surely.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hope Karthik's wish comes true and the delivery plant at Chakan turns out vehicle after vehicle just in time for him and his team to sell 100 vehicles per week, 100 of Tata Tiago vehicles, obviously. And let's hope that this is just the beginning. And we will come back to you very soon with another interesting test drive and hands-on review of a very interesting car. Until then, keep watching Deadlines Tonight because you don't just watch the news, you be it. Bye-bye.